stop browsing on the internet looking for some opportunities for you to make money, yeah? Because you found the right one here. This program is so easy. Anyone who joined this program, 100% they are going to make money. I can guarantee that. Just a click of a mouse, about 10 clicks a day, you can see the money coming in to your account. So I joined this program 7 months ago. So far I've created 6 diamonds under me, and now I'm a crown diamond. Yes, I'm known as a diamond maker. When I found this program, I never expect it to be this easy, eh? Yes, after 7 months, I'm gonna rock the MLM world. I'm gonna show the world that this is the program. They should take a serious look at it, because not everybody joining MLM or other affiliate program are making money. But here is something different. So long you can click a mouse, you will make money. So please pay a close attention. Go and watch all the videos in this website. This is a matter of whether you believe it or not. If you do believe it, you are going to make money. 1 hour after you join it, you are going to make money. But if you don't, I'm a bit sorry for you. But my advice to you, if you are still skeptical, why not go and watch the videos? Try to build your belief. The moment you have the belief, you are set to make money. So all the best, guy. I hope this will be a life-changing video that you ever watch.